Gents. I-Lifetime Solution inilethele guys isixazululo nje esinye nje. Guys, nayi imvusanduku guys, it's for those like ama-penis wabo like a-struggle-isha ukuthi avuke like awakungamelanga awe. Yabona guys, so lena kena iyayivusa iqinise kuze kuwe ize iwe makufuna wena, hhayi makufuna yona. So uyayiphuza, mawuthandile uyayipeyita. Nakhona upeyita 30 minutes before uzohlangana nogel. Guys, i-sale i-valid from May 7 until May 30 April, and it's a good sale because isuka ku-1,000 iya ku-300. It's rare guys. So the reason why ngithi uyakwazi ukuthi uyiphuze, uyakwazi ukuthi upeyite mawuthandile, it's because like sifuna ukuthi wonke umuntu sikwazi ukuthi sim-accommodate cause khona ungakwazi ukupeyita prefer ukuthi aphuze na guys. So like guys, i-product iyatholakala kuMkhulindaba Ezitha nawo ama-details wakhe. Cala ukuthi niwasebenzise lama-details nani nitholeni ama-product wenu nizokwazi ukuthi nijabulise ama-cherry wenu guys. Ngiyabonga guys, cala nithengeni.